If you're using Photoshop, then you may have noticed that sometimes Photoshop selects layer automatically whenever you click on the canvas. For example, here I have two layers, layer 1 and layer 2. Now if I click on this layer 1, then Photoshop selects layer 1 automatically. Even if I click on this layer 2, then Photoshop selects this layer automatically. Sometimes this is useful, but sometimes it's not. Why? Let me show you another example. Suppose you have an image, you have edited it very well, everything is to the point. Now you wanna make a little change. You wanna move this layer 1 a little bit to the right side. So you are trying to select this layer 1, you are trying to move this, but Photoshop accidentally selects layer 2 and moves it away. But that is not what you wanted. You wanted to move layer 1, but Photoshop accidentally selected layer 2 and moves it away. So of course it's annoying and sometimes it may ruin your whole image. So how you can fix this auto selecting issue? Well, in today's video I'm gonna talk about this topic. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Emon and welcome to Emon's Planet. So guys, here you are in Photoshop. Now to fix this auto selecting issue, first of all select your move tool. After selecting the move tool at the top in the left side, you will get an option auto select. You will get this one checked, simply uncheck this and now you are good to go. Your problem is fixed now. Now no matter where you click on the canvas, it will not select any of the layers automatically. You can see I'm clicking on the canvas, I'm clicking on the layers, but it is not selecting any of the layers automatically. Now the question is, then how can you select those layers? Well, very easy. Just go to the layer panel and click on the layer which you want to select, and after that your layer will be selected. Now you can work on that layer, you can move that layer, you can do whatever you want. You can see no matter where you click on the canvas, it will not select any other layer. It will be still working on the selected layer which we have selected from the layers panel. So now again, how can we select the layer 2? Same, just go to the layer panel and click on the layer 2 and now layer 2 is selected. Now you can work on layer 2. You can see now I can move the layer 2. So like this way you can select layers after disabling the auto select, and with this trick you can fix the auto selecting issue in Photoshop very easily. So guys, this is the video and I hope you will like it. If you liked it, then don't forget to drop a like on this video, and also don't forget to share this video. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then go to my channel, subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that if I upload any new videos in my channel, then you will get a notification from my channel. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.